With you, I can't be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up through the dreams where the skies are so clear. With you, I wanna stay with you. With you, I love the way that you.
It's time for me to choose. What do I really want in my life? It seems that for too many years I'm only turning around. And so the story goes, I ain't ready to build a home. I ain't ready for baby, and I won't get married. I'm sorry, honey. It's a long road I'm walking on. It's an endless song. The first verse is over, but maybe I've sang it wrong. It's a long road I'm walking on. It's an endless song. Please, won't you please sing along?
Los Angeles is my home. Had a fair share of heartbreaks, made way too many mistakes, but Los Angeles is my home. My hometown makes me homesick, won't go as I book a round trip. LA, everybody wears pasties, acting real crazy, cheersing to no babies. LA, everybody has a sunroof, singing like they're trying to make the sun move. And I love it, I'm finally done running. Just got my head above the water, learning how to be a better daughter. Don't know how you did it by yourself, raising a whole family without help. You let me go to find myself and found a way to send me out to LA. Everybody wears pasties, acting real crazy, cheersing to no babies. LA, everybody has a sunroof, singing like they're trying to make the sun move. And I love it, I'm finally done running. I'm finally done running. Running, running, I'm finally done running. I'm finally done running. LA, everybody wears pasties, acting real crazy, cheersing to no babies. LA, everybody has a sunroof, singing like they're trying to make the sun move. And I love it, I'm finally done running. Los Angeles is my home. It took some time, but now I